Welcome to this Excel tutorial where we'll explore two methods to randomly select cells. We'll start with a formula-based approach using the index function, followed by a VBA code solution. Let's dive into each method. Let's start with the first method using a formula based on the index function. This approach allows us to randomly select cells within a specified range using Excel's built-in functions. Assuming that you have a list of data, B1, B7, in a worksheet, and you want to get 3 random cells or values from those data, how to achieve it? If you want to randomly select cells from a range of cells, you can use a formula based on the index function, the rand between function and the rows function. Like this. Type this formula into a blank cell C1, and press Enter key in your keyboard. And then drag the autofill handle over other 2 cells to apply this formula to get 3 random cells. Now, let's explore the second method using VBA code. This approach provides more flexibility and control over the random selection process through custom scripting. Press Alt plus F11 to open the VBA editor window. In the VBA editor window, go to the Insert menu and select Module to create a new module. Copy the provided VBA code for the user-defined function. Paste the code into the newly created module. Close the VBA editor window by clicking the Close button, X, or pressing Alt plus Q. This will return you to the Excel workbook. In any cell of your Excel worksheet, enter the formula, equals random select cells, $1, $B7. Adjust the range, $1, $B7, as per your data range. After entering the formula, press the Enter key to execute the function. You can see that this function can randomly select a cell from the specified range. If you found this tutorial helpful in learning how to randomly select cells in Excel using both formula and VBA user-defined function methods, don't forget to subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.